Welcome everyone, welcome to another vlog. Today we are going to the city of Trieste, and of course we're going to take you with us. For those who are not familiar with Italian trains, Frecciarossa are high-speed trains and super convenient and also pretty comfortable.
We are now here in Cafe degli Specchi, which is the Cafe of Mirrors. Interesting fact, this cafe here started in the year 1839, so it is 170 plus 20, so almost. So this cafe has a lot of history behind it. One interesting thing about this cafe is if you actually want a cappuccino, you'll have to order a cappuccino cafe latte, because if you just say cappuccino, they will give you a small espresso. So when you come here, make sure you do the right order.
We got our order here at Cafe degli Specchi. We got ourselves 2 brioche, 2 cornetto with pista cream and 2 caffè latte. Because as my husband said, when you are in Trieste and you want a cappuccino, you have to order a caffè latte. Otherwise, if you order a cappuccino or a capo, you'll get a macchiato. We are in Piazza Unità d'Italia in Trieste, and this piazza, this square, is full of super beautiful buildings. For example, at my back you can see the City Hall, Palazzo del Municipio, which is very big and very beautiful, and over there there is a Palazzo del Governo. I really love the details on this building. When this fountain was built between 1751 and 1754, only 4 continents were known. That's why this fountain represents Europe, Africa, America, and Asia, the only 4 continents that they knew back then. At my back you can see the ruins of the Roman theater. This theater was built between the 1st and the 2nd century AD, and when it was built, it was able to host 3,500 spectators. We are now in the beautiful Piazza della Borsa. This piazza, this square, was the economic center of the city of Trieste throughout the 19th century. One of the highlights of your visit in Trieste has to be the beautiful Miramare Castle, which was built in the mid-19th century. It is spectacular and it is right on the Gulf of Trieste. We are at the church, Cathedral of San Giusto. This church was born when the people from Trieste wanted actually a bigger church, so they put together two of the pre-existing churches, and that's the reason why the facade looks asymmetrical. When visiting Church of San Giusto, don't forget to go and visit also the Museo d'Antichità, Antiquity Museum. Very interesting and free entrance. We're climbing up the stairs now all the way to Basilica di San Silvestro. close to Basilica de San Silvestro, which is unfortunately closed and we couldn't go inside. There is Basilica di Santa Maria Maggiore, which seems open, so we're going in. It's very different. The Canal Grande is in the heart of Borgo Teresiano, which is in the very center of the city of Trieste.